The CVF extension identifies a Canvas GFX vector file containing technical illustration and vector design data from Canvas GFX software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these technical illustration files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading CVF file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. CVF files are vector illustration files from Canvas GFX, a technical illustration and design application. They contain precision vector drawings with dimensions, annotations, hatching patterns, and technical symbols used in engineering documentation, scientific illustration, and technical publishing. Canvas GFX CVF files use a proprietary format storing vector path data with precise dimensional constraints, engineering annotation objects, cross-hatching patterns, symbol library references, and multi-layer compositions for technical documentation and illustration. The fundamental software link for CVF files is built around Canvas GFX by Canvas GFX, Inc. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows offers limited visibility into design content, so proper use depends on dedicated software. Go ahead and right-click your CVF file, then choose Open With. Try Canvas GFX if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. If the CVF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Failure to open the CVF file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, opening the file. Install Canvas GFX from canvasgfx.com and open the CVF file via File, then Open. Canvas displays the technical illustration with all vector objects, annotations, and dimensional constraints ready for editing and output generation. Next, exporting to standard formats. Use File, then export in Canvas GFX to save as SVG, PDF, EPS, or DXF format for cross-application compatibility. PDF preserves print quality, while DXF enables CADI integration. SVG provides web-compatible vector output for digital distribution. Finally, converting for other applications. Export CVF files to AI Adobe Illustrator format for editing in Illustrator, or to PDF for universal viewing. For CAD workflows, export as DXF for import into AutoCAD or SolidWorks. Verify dimensional accuracy after conversion for engineering documentation use. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.